everybody, welcome to my garden. I want to share with you my meditation practice that I do usually before I paint. It is one of the things that I do to center myself and just to close out those outside noises and focus within. So the instruments that I'm going to be using today are my quartz crystal bowls. The first one is for the root chakra, and the second is for the heart chakra. Okay, so I'm gonna get started, and I start by waking up the angels. Just close your eyes, focus on your breathing. And then I open up the heart chakra with this beautiful melody. Let's begin. With chalk, outline 3 circles, the top circle being the smallest. Using a small paintbrush and black paint, outline in black. Outline the top of the snow using black paint as well. Now paint the outside of the snowman in black using a large brush. Clean your brush and paint the snowman in white. Blend tiny streaks of black into your snowman. This will help to create some shadows. Using a small brush and white paint, create branches as arms. Do this on both sides. Using a small brush with white paint, create a triangle from the top circle. This will be your snowman's nose. The reason we're using white paint is that it will create a nice background so that your orange paint for his nose will look more solid. Using a small brush and white paint, create 2 circles on either side of Frosty's head. These will be his earmuffs. Fill in with white and connect at the top. Now's a good time to do any touch-ups. I feel like my Frosty was a little bit dark, so I'm just going over it with some more white paint to lighten it up. Clean your small brush and use some orange paint to paint the triangle. This will be Frosty's nose. Using a small brush, cleaned, get some red paint or any color that you choose and start painting Frosty's scarf as well as Frosty's earmuffs. Clean your brush, take some black paint and create Frosty's eyes on either side of the nose. The shape of these eyes will resemble rainbows, but they will be in black. And still using the same brush, take some more black paint and create Frosty's smile. Add 2 small curves on either side of Frosty's smile. Using your small brush and black paint, create 3 heart-shaped buttons on Frosty's chest. Now you can clean up the areas that may need fixing or even a second coat. Now we're using the back of our paintbrush with some white paint and dotting it onto our canvas. This will create snow. Congratulations, you have created your very own masterpiece. Welcome to the world, Mr. Frosty.